Hello everyone, welcome to Try Studio. This is Try Updates.
Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Welcome back. My name is Undudim Eunice, your host on Try Education. And in today's health update, I'll be bringing you updates on the coronavirus. The coronavirus, now called COVID-19, which was first discovered in China but has been exported to other countries in the world and is presently being combated by the World Health Organization in collaboration with other health agencies across the globe, has officially been reported in Nigeria. The Nigerian Ministry of Health on 27th of February 2020 officially reported its first coronavirus case. I must really commend the Nigerian Ministry of Health for their rapid response in sensitizing the population on the spread of this illness. Few hours after the first case was reported, the Nigerian Ministry of Health sent out a memo to all citizens trying to sensitize them and inform them on how they could stay safe and healthy throughout this period. I'm going to be reading the memo sent out by the Nigerian Ministry of Health. Federal Ministry of Health, Office of the Honorable Minister, 27th of February 2020. First case of coronavirus disease confirmed in Nigeria. The Federal Ministry of Health has confirmed a coronavirus disease, COVID-19, in Lagos State, Nigeria. The case, which was confirmed on the 27th of February 2020, is the first case to be reported in Nigeria since the beginning of the outbreak in China, January 2020. The case is an Italian citizen who works in Nigeria and returned from Milan, Italy to Lagos, Nigeria on the 25th of February 2020. He was confirmed by the Virology Laboratory of Lagos University Teaching Hospital, part of the laboratory network of Nigeria Center for Disease Control. The patient is clinically stable with no serious symptoms and is being managed at the Infectious Disease Hospital in Yaba, Lagos. The government of Nigeria, through the Federal Ministry of Health, has been strengthening measures to ensure an outbreak in Nigeria is controlled and contained quickly. The multi-secretarial coronavirus preparedness group, led by Nigeria Center for Disease Control, NCDC, has immediately activated its National Emergency Operation Center and will work closely with Lagos State health authorities to respond to this case and implement firm control measures. I wish to assure all Nigerians that we have been briefing up our preparedness and capacity since the first confirmation of the cases in China, and we will use all resources made available by the government to respond to this case. We have already started working to identify all contacts of the patient since he entered Nigeria. Please be reminded that most people who become infected may experience only mild illness and recover easily, but it can be more severe in others, particularly the elderly and persons with underlying chronic illness. All Nigerians should take care of their health and maintain hand and respiratory hygiene to protect themselves and others, including their own family, following the precautions below. Regular and thorough hand washing with soap and water and use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Maintain at least 1.5 meters, 5 feet distance between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Patients with persistent cough or sneezing should stay at home or keep a social distance but not mix in the crowd. Make sure you and people around you follow good respiratory hygiene, meaning cover your mouth and nose with a handkerchief or tissue or into your sleeves at the bent elbow or tissues when you cough or sneeze. Then dispose the used tissues immediately. Stay at home if you feel unwell with symptoms like fever, cough, and difficulty in breathing. Please call the NCDC toll-free number, which is available day and night for guidance. This number will be shown on the screen. Do not engage yourself in self-medication. Stay informed on the latest developments about COVID-19 through official channels on TV and radio, including Lagos State Ministry of Health, NCDC, and Federal Ministry of Health. Citizens must not abuse social media and indulge in spreading misinformation that causes fear and panic. The Federal Ministry of Health, through Nigerian Center for Disease Control, will continue to provide updates and will initiate all measures required to prevent the spread of any outbreak in Nigeria. Signed by the Honorable Minister of Health. Don't you think the Nigerian government really needs to be commended for these efforts? Citizens, please stay informed. I'd like to use this platform to ask all social media users to avoid the spread of false information. This has to do with our health, and spreading false news could be very dangerous. Nigerians, the use of weed is not a cure for the coronavirus. Don't begin to abuse drug because of panic. Make sure you engage in proper hygiene. Wash your hands after cooking, after playing, and after coming out from the crowd. Please, if you notice any form of illness like cough, fever, or difficulty in breathing, avoid self-medication. Don't stay silent. Call the number that will be showing on your screen. Do what you can to save a life. This is not a video that you should watch and keep to yourself. Share. Try. Let's see how possible a life can be saved by this. Stay tuned. Stay healthy. Thank you.
Every single day